best guitar for beginners comparison. Electric guitars are a gateway to musical exploration for beginners, offering versatility and creative freedom. Choosing the right beginner electric guitar is critical to ensure an enjoyable learning experience, as it can impact comfort, playability, and ease of progression. The Fender Squier Debut Series Stratocaster is a standout beginner guitar backed by Fender's 75-year legacy of craftsmanship. Featuring a lightweight poplar body, a comfortable C-shaped neck, and 3 single-coil pickups, this guitar delivers classic Stratocaster tones with versatility and ease of play. The inclusion of a subscription to Fender Play, offering thousands of instructional videos, makes it ideal for beginners seeking guided learning. In terms of performance, the Stratocaster is highly playable thanks to its ergonomic design and smooth laurel fingerboard. The tremolo bridge allows for expressive string bending effects, while the 5-way pickup switching provides a wide tonal palette. However, its slightly heavier weight compared to other beginner models might be a consideration for younger players. Overall, it delivers excellent sound quality and durability, making it a solid investment for aspiring guitarists. This budget-friendly option is a guitar lesson book authored by Peter Vogel, designed to help beginners learn the fundamentals of electric guitar playing. It includes online video and audio resources, making it an accessible and affordable way to start learning without committing to a full guitar purchase. While this product is not a physical guitar, its value lies in its educational content. The lessons are well-structured and catered to absolute beginners, focusing on technique, chords, and basic music theory. However, it lacks the hands-on experience of playing an actual guitar, making it more suitable as a supplementary resource rather than a standalone solution for beginners. The Strick Sapphire Blue Beginner Kit is a comprehensive package that includes a 39-inch full-size electric guitar, a mini amplifier, and essential accessories. The guitar features 3 single-coil pickups for versatile sound options, making it suitable for genres like rock, blues, and pop. Its sleek sapphire blue finish adds a touch of style to the instrument. Performance-wise, the Strick guitar delivers clean and bright tones, with the single-coil pickups offering excellent clarity. The solid wood construction ensures durability, while the included accessories, such as a digital tuner, spare strings, and a gig bag, make it a convenient choice for beginners. However, the amplifier's limited 5W output may not be sufficient for louder practice sessions or small performances. The Stryche Sunburst Beginner Kit is the premium option in this comparison, offering a 39-inch, full-size electric guitar with an HSS pickup configuration. It comes with a 10W amplifier, a gig bag, and a suite of accessories, making it a complete solution for beginners. The maple and poplar wood construction ensures durability, while the sunburst finish adds a professional aesthetic. The HSS pickup configuration provides enhanced tonal versatility, allowing players to explore a wide range of sounds from clean melodies to heavy riffs. The 10W amplifier delivers improved sound output compared to the Sapphire Blue model, making it more suitable for louder practice sessions. While the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, its superior sound quality and included accessories justify the investment for serious beginners. 5. Designed specifically for children, the CB Sky 30-inch Junior Electric Guitar is a 1/4 size instrument that caters to younger players. It includes a 2-watt amplifier and essential accessories, making it a suitable starter kit for kids exploring music. The bright red finish adds a playful touch, appealing to its target audience. The smaller size and lightweight design make this guitar highly accessible for children, ensuring comfortable playability. However, the 2-watt amplifier offers limited sound output, and the overall build quality may not match the durability of full-size models. While it serves as a good introduction to electric guitar playing, it may require upgrading as the child progresses in skill level.